Let's do a puzzle with sounds on the farm. I see a rooster. Let's hear what the rooster says. Did you hear the rooster? I see a cow. Let's hear what the cow says. Did you hear the cow? I see a horse. Let's hear what the horse says. Did you hear the horse? I see a duck. Let's hear what the duck says. Did you hear the duck? I see a cat. Let's hear what the cat says.
Meow. Meow.
Did you hear the cat? I see a pig. Let's hear what the pig says. Did you hear the pig? I see a sheep. Let's hear what the sheep says. Did you hear the sheep? I see a dog. Let's hear what the dog says. Did you hear the dog? We finished!